In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to export in CapCut. To actually be able to export on CapCut, the first thing you need to have the CapCut app already, and you need to have a video that you have edited already. So let's open up our CapCut now to see how you can actually export your edited video out of CapCut to your phone. So let's open up our CapCut here. So once you open up your CapCut, you want to look for the project you want to export. So let's tap on the project. So let's say we want to export this. So guys, this is the project that we want to export in this tutorial. So what do you want to do? Maybe you are done. After you are done editing your videos, this is the first thing I want you to do. If you check the top right corner, you are going to see where it says All HD beside export. Don't tap on export yet. Please do not tap on export yet. There's one important thing I want you to check over here. If you check the top right corner, you're going to see where it says All HD, ALHD, AIUHD. I want you to tap on that. Once you tap on that, if you check the bottom here, you are going to see where it says watermark. Check it very well. You are going to see where it says watermark. I want you to tap on that watermark. Once you tap on watermark, make sure it is on hidden. Make sure the watermark is on hidden. So once you tap hidden, the watermark will be taken off from your video. So once you are done with that, you want to go back to your export page, to your editing interface. So guys, once you get back to this interface, the next thing I want you to do, check the top right corner beside the AIUHD. You are going to see where it says export. I want you to tap on that export. So once you tap on the export, it will start exporting immediately. So guys, this is how to actually export videos from your CapCut down to your phone gallery. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.